looks like you got your driver's license. Awesome, man. Wow, I know you've been waiting a long time to get that. Yeah, it took me a long time, but then I got this new car. Watch me go. Whoa, those are some great moves, man. Yeah, I'm gonna take my pup for a ride. All right, I'll see you later, Mario. Wow, Mario got his license. That's really cool. But I'm still a little worried about him. Maybe I should follow him. But I need a disguise. Hang on. He'll never recognize me with this on. Ooh, look, some rocks. Ruff, ruff, maybe we should go around. No way, we're going over it. Oh no. Oh no, little puppy, you fell off. Will you get back on? No way, not yet. Just one more time. Okay, just this once. Slow down, Mario. That's it, Mario. I'm done. I'm not going with you anymore. But doggy, come back. Ah! I hope they don't see me. Oh my gosh. Mario's a horrible driver. Oh my gosh, his poor dog. He got back on? Oh man. I think we need to help Mario out. He needs to learn how to drive better. This is just scary to watch. Roof, roof, watch out, Mario, for that turn. And there's mud. Oh no. Oh, I'm stuck in the mud. Oh no, he's stuck in the mud. Here, let me help him. Oh, you're stuck really good. I'm gonna have to go get some help. Please, sir, can you help my friend Mario? Yes, the street knight is here to help. Sir Mario, are you stuck in the mud? Yes, I'm stuck in the mud. All right, let me help you. There you go, Mario. Now, sir, you need to drive slower and be more careful. Remember, when you're driving a car, it's very important to make sure you are paying attention and not driving too fast. Thank you, Night Street Knight. Mario, I already showed you. Watch where you're going. Thank you. Oh man, that Mario, I think he still needs some help. I'm gonna go make sure he's okay and gets home fine. Make sure you guys had a lot of fun on this episode. Click that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.
Tham gia nhiều khóa học thú vị tại Boss Kids Lên nhé!